I'm Thomas Smith, and this is a dad review of the Fisher-Price Baby Dome. So as you can see, this is a super compact little napper and play space that you can fold up like this, carry around with a handle. I like to take it to the park, take it to an area where there's, wet grass or solid concrete or something you wouldn't necessarily want your baby or, young kid to be sitting on. You can carry this along. And basically you can put it down and then it folds out, and folding it out is super easy. So we're just literally going to pull this out, and you can see it pops up to be this dome. We're going to set this upright. Now you can see there's handles on either side that give it some support, so we're just going to pop those out so that they are out there. We're going to do that on the other side as well, and that makes it a nice rigid structure. So you can see now we've got our dome going. Now we're going to put down in here, this is the mattress and sheet on the bottom, and this is all set up. And you can see, I was narrating that, but if you did it without narrating, you could probably do it in about 10-15 seconds to get this from folded to fully set up. And then what do you have here? You have this really nice, again, rigid, contained area that you can safely put your baby down in here when you're at the beach or you're at the park or you're out on a play date with your older kid. This makes for a really great place to safely put them down and keep them contained. And there's some other nice features to it. Again, because it is rigid, it's not going to blow away or anything. It's got a metal bar at the top here. So unlike some tents, it's not going to have an issue with wind. It's open in the back, so you do get nice airflow through there. But this hood does provide sun protection, and you can actually fold this top part up and it actually latches over there, and you can make this a totally self-contained unit, again still with this mesh so that air is getting through. But this is great if you're at an area with bees or bugs and you want to keep your kid protected, or even just as a windbreak and a little bit of extra sun protection over the top here. So that works great. The other thing that's really nice here is that this bar has room with these toys, and it actually comes with these two toys that connect. And they've got some different little teethers and things they can reach up and bat at and play with as they get bigger. And you can clip your own toys, as I've done here, on there. And these fold up with the unit, so it's easy to bring those along with you. And then to refold it is super easy as well. So we just press this unlock button on the side. We fold the top up, and then we fold those sides in. So I'll demo that. Push this in. Then I'm going to lift these up to the middle. And then these take a little bit of force to push back down, so I like to use my knee and just push those in, folds in, and then I can pick this up and put it in the trunk, walk away with it. It's pretty light. You can see I can carry it with one hand, and it just makes a super convenient little space to keep your baby or your kid. It works up until I think about 6 months, I've found. When they start to be able to really sit up and pull up, it's a little bit hard to keep them contained in there, but 6 months, even up to a year, if they're not trying to climb out of it, it makes a great space to take your baby to the beach or the park or anywhere you want to protect them from that wet grass or that solid ground or the sand.